Hey there, my name is Ross, I'm with BCS, and we are about to do some sickle bar mowing today. So in front of me is model 749, which is our 13 horsepower model, and attached to it is a 51-inch dual action sickle bar mower without fingers. This is relatively new to the BCS fleet, and I'm just going to explain to you a little bit about its features and functions. So first and foremost, this is our transmission. It is oil bath, and it has two drive yokes. One driving the top blade assembly, and the second underneath here driving the underneath blade assembly. All dual action sickle bar mowers are going to feature self-adjusted blade tensioners. And on the dual action without fingers, which is relatively new with BCS, this is a very beefed up version. What this does is decrease vacillation. It basically reduces the chances of the sickle bars clogging. As with all sickle bar mowers, they have an adjustable skid, which allows you to adjust the height at which you're cutting. It goes all the way down to ground level, and right now we're at about the 4-inch mark. So today we're going to be using the dual action sickle bar mower to take care of the field behind me. And again, because it's a dual action, we'll be able to mow at a faster speed, which will get the job done in a quicker amount of time. So now I'm going to get into third gear so we can get the job done in a quicker amount of time. Okay, so we got through that field in relatively short order. One thing I wanted to point out, throughout the field it looks like there are clumps of grass that are not mowed, and that's not true. Everything is mowed and cut at its base, so you can leave it to decompose or collect it. You might have also noticed that we had the BCS team out here training and using the sickle bar. At some points it was in third gear, at some points it was in second. It was relatively bumpy here, so second gear made things a little bit more manageable, easier to handle. Another way that you can offset some of bumpy terrain is to put wheel extensions on, widen your wheelbase a little bit, gives you a little bit more stability. So one last thing to note with any sickle bar, whether it's dual action or single action, when we're done, we want to go ahead and retighten any screws that might have become loose throughout operation. Especially with the new machine, the bolts tend to stretch. So we'll just use an adjustable wrench and retighten anything that might need to be retightened on these bolts. So the dual action sickle bar mower, given the fact that it's the widest mower that BCS offers, is really the best tool to take care of a large area of grass like this. Thanks for watching.